Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix this app could not be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, if you are trying to install any apps and you are facing a problem, so today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the settings and make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is an connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and then tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version, then update your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply tap on date and time and make sure that your return time is correct and set automatically is turned on. If it is turned off, then you have to just simply turn it on and then tap on language or region and select your region correctly and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network setting for one time, and after that scroll down and here tap on screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and price restriction and turn this toggle off, and after that you can check if your problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up and volume down button and keep holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, do this and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. If still your problem is not fixed, then you have to just simply contact to the Apple support team and they will try to fix your problem within 24 hours. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.